Yeah, the continuation of integration classes 3C, third exercise. Now we are working over here, third bit. The third exercise we completed, first bit is done, and the second bit also evaluation is done. I think third bit yesterday started till 8 questions, 9 questions are over. The ninth question, it started integration of a power x. Go to a Telugu Academy textbook and looking into that cos 2x dx. Till this question is done yesterday. After this, I was stopping over there. Now continuation of the next bit is 10th question. Now 10th question is integration tan inverse of 3x minus x cube by 1 minus 3x square into dx. This is a pretty interesting question now. But I think you have an idea, the basic awareness of that. Tan inverse of x, we have a formula. I think integration of tan inverse x. What's the formula of tan inverse x? What is the formula of tan inverse x? Integration. We have some formula and minus 1 by something you are going to get it out. It will take a lot of time. So to reduce the time by directly applying the peak terms, we have to do some methods by using answers, by using the easiest methods, by using the logics we help. That is called here I should take a substitution method. I'll take substitution method. Substitution method means we are converting the question in terms of x, we converting some other t forms by substituting other values. So here I am taking x is equal to tan t or tan theta, no problem. I'll take t, nothing is wrong there. X equal to tan theta. So what he has to do, dx equal what can I get? Dx equal to tan t means what? Secant square t dt. Till clear, please substitute over here. Integration tan inverse of 3 tan t minus tan cube t. This is a first year question. And differentiation 3 tan square t into dx means what? Secant square t dt. No, no. The 3 tan t minus tan cube theta by 1 minus 3 tan square. What is the formula of this one? Tan 3 theta. Idea on the tan 3 theta is equal to 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta by 1 minus 3 tan square theta. We have a formula of trigonometry. Tan 3 theta is equal to. Okay. If you're not, please go to trigonometry and come to me here. Tan 3t. Tan 3 theta is equal to 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta 1 minus theta. That is the thing I was substituted x equal to tan theta. Then secant square t dt. Till clear, any doubts? Okay. So this tan inverse of tan, you can write just directly theta. Just directly write theta. Tan inverse of tan theta is equal to this is right theta. So this you can write only 3 theta will come. This question continuation 3t secant square t dt. Clear, Nana? Can I continue next page? 3 I'll take side. I'll write just t into secant square t dt. I was clear now. Just start applying. This is the algebraic. This is the trigonometry. Which will come starting. This is the priority. Now u is equal to t. V is equal to integration of secant square t dt. Okay. Please working continuation of the thing. After ending is over, please write. I think we know x is equal to tan theta, tan t. T is equal to what you can substitute? Tan inverse of x you need to substitute and you could go further. Clear or not? Clear or not? Any doubt in this? Kushal, are you here or not?
Clear, sir.
Right, like this, the continuation can work. After the answer you got, please whenever t is there, you substitute tan inverse of x instead of t. The answer is finished. Because directly it is not possible, I converted a question into t by substituting. Sir, when some people have a question, sir, how you know x equal to tan theta, other can't you substitute? Because I have an idea, because tan inverse I should get tan theta, which is tan 2 theta possible or 3 theta possible. Okay, 2 theta, 3 theta possible, which I substitute. Okay, 3 tan theta. This is I formula I has to know. That's what I was substituted. If you don't know the formula, you cannot get an idea. You cannot substitute. You're not supposed to get an idea. This is what practice problems. Then you'll get an idea. The problem is finished now. Now switch on to that 11th one now. What is the 11th question now? The 11th question is integration of sin h inverse of x into dx. It's very LKG question. No need to do such an experiment also. How can you do this question? Tell me, Nana. U is equal to sin h inverse x. V is equal to just a dx. Then you continue, you'll get an answer. Okay. Clear, Anna?
Yes, sir.
Next, 12th one. Integration of cos h inverse x dx. Same thing, same procedure. Do it out. You'll get an answer. Next, 13th question. Same procedure. Integration of tan h inverse x. Same procedure. Tan h inverse x is u. Integration dx is v. Same procedure, same. You'll get an answer. No need to do it anything. Simply you'll get. Okay. Till this clear. So till this, the sixth C is end. Now we switch on to the sixth D. Now you go for next exercise, sixth D. Okay. Right. Now the sixth D, a continuation. We have the formulas. So people has to work on the formulas. If you're unfit for formulas, nothing I'll do it. If you people are unfit for formula, nothing I'll do it, because everything it should be linked with the formulas only. If you're not comfortable formula, you're not supposed to get an answer. That is a sure. Clear? Please practice formulas more and more. What are the formulas which I have to use in this? I'll try to recollecting once again and I'll enter into the exercise. First, I'll write the formulas. Please, if you're comfortable, no, please try to take it once again. Integration 1 by under root a square minus x square dx. What is the formula, Anna?
Sine inverse x by a plus b.
Next, integration 1 by, now we can do plus a square plus x square dx. What is the formula?
Sine h
H
inverse
inverse
x by
x
a
by
plus
a.
b.
Next, integration 1 by possible x square minus a square also possible. For this formula, cos h inverse
Cos
x by.
h inverse.
Please copy this three. I lost the formulas in between. That is what I'm telling. Very, very important. This three. Okay. Now I can I go to next page.
Yes, sir.
Next, now root is over. Without root, I'll try to do it. Without root, a square plus x square dx. Formula is 1 by
1
a
by a tan
tan.
inverse x by a plus b.
Next, 1 by a square minus x square also possible. 1 by x
1
square
by
minus.
2a log
This
mod
is
a plus x
this
by
is
a
1 by
minus x.
2a log of a plus x by a minus x plus c. Formulas are very important. This is 1 by 2a log of, what is the answer here? X minus a by x plus a plus c. This is the without root. This should without root, with root denominator, without root denominator. Now we'll go for try to root in the numerator. What are the possibilities there? A square minus x square dx. Next, a square plus x square dx. Next, x square minus a square into dx. Three formulas we have. What are the procedure I told you? X by 2 under root of as is a square minus x square procedure. Next, a square by 2 sine inverse x by a. Because a square minus x square denominator, we have a formula sine inverse. Plus means sine h inverse. X square minus cos h inverse. Like this you got. Similar here sine inverse a plus c. Next here x by 2 under root of a square plus x square by 2 plus a square by 2 plus means what you get? Sine h inverse x by a plus c. Formula is very important. Now minus you got, just write as it is the format you write. Here it is minus, you are going to get minus here. Please remember this. Out of this three, you only get minus a square by 2. What is I now? Cos h inverse x by a plus c. These three formulas which are very, very important. Anywhere I'll use it. These formulas very mandatory. Till clear, any doubts? Okay.
Clear.
Now let us welcome to your third exercise. Starting.
So 1 minute.
Yeah.
Previous page.
Previous slide, right? Okay.
Yes.
Take the answers. Make it screenshots you can take. It will be useful to you.
Yes, sir. Finish.
I'll upload the video in the YouTube. You can see that. Okay. Now take a question directly.
Okay.
Now third exercise. I think sixth D, right?
Yes,
Fourth
sir.
exercise C is over, right? D, sixth D. Sixth chapter D exercise. Now take first question. Integration dx by under root of 2x minus 3x square plus 1. Okay, this is a question. So once again, I'm telling you're not supposed to get an idea in examinations also. Some cases you're not supposed to clear. Please try to follow me, you'll get an understanding. So this question, dx by under root ax square bx plus c, ax square bx plus c. If should become, you think that it may be possible like this, d by under root of a square plus x square, or under root 1 by a square minus x square, or under root of x square minus y square. Any one formula you are going to get. That model it has to be. But it is not like that. It should be like this. Am I clear? ఇట్లైనా ఇలానా ఇలానా ఉండాలి. బట్ ఇది అలా లేదు. అప్పుడు ఏం చేయాలంటే టేక్ దిస్ క్వశ్చన్, you convert into like this, a square plus x square, or a square minus x square, or x square minus a square. Any one format you need to convert the question. So when you're doing it is no need to take question, entire question. First you take the part of question. This you take first of all. This you take 2x minus 3x square plus 1. This part you take. First when you're writing question, you have to write in the format of ax square bx plus c format. You have to write like this. Means what you get? 3x square plus 2x plus 1. Clear? Huh? Am I clear? It? This
Yes, sir.
part I'll take in the next page. I'll continue how I do it. Minus 3x square plus 2x plus 1. Okay, clear? After taking this, step number 1, I'm trying to write x square quotient must be 1. This quotient must be 1. So that is what I'll took minus 3 common. Whatever it is, take a common. So what you're going to getting out? X square plus what are you going to get out? Minus 2x by 3 minus 1 by 3. Am I clear, Nana? Any doubt? Minus 3 I'll take common. 3 is not available. I wrote 2x by 3 and minus 1 by 3. Still any doubt? If you're not, you can multiply minus 3 into x minus 3x square minus 3 minus 3. 3 cancel again. 2x will come. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Next step, what he has to do means minus 3 take minus 3 take out. Keep it side. I'll continue this part. I'll take x square minus 2x by 3 minus 1 by 3 because I don't want to write every time. I'll need to carry. I'll keep it side. This after this question, you need to observe a x square. This is x square, a square. This is x quotient. Is it negative or positive?
Negative.
Negative means this should be possible. It may be get a minus b whole square. This should become a minus b whole square. A minus b whole square is what? A square minus
Plus
2ab
B.
plus b square.
Minus.
This
Yes.
means minus will come. It will be possible a minus b whole square. Now think that. So this is a square now. So 1 into x square and a square is clear. What's the value of a? X. Okay. A square minus 2 into 2 already is available. A means what? X. What's the value of b now? 1 by 3. Clear? Huh?
Yes.
Please once again, x square means a square minus next what you got? 2ab. 2 I wrote. If it is not there, 2. If it's 2 not available, you can take 2 divided by 2. You can create and move forward. If it is not available, such a question I'll take and I'll explain. Don't worry about that. Coming soon. Okay. 2 is all available. A means x. Rest of the part is there 1 by 3. That 2ab. Now b you fix. What is the value of b now?
1 by 3.
A square minus 2ab. Next, what he has to do? B square is required, right? B square is 1 by 3 is required, but 1 by 3 is not available. That is what I'm writing. 1 by 3 whole square minus 1 by 3 whole square. It is not available. You can write like this. Okay. B square is not
Yes, sir.
available anywhere. Every time you need to write B square what is available. After find B, you can copy plus and minus. Rest of the copy you can do it. Till clear? Huh? Any doubt?
Yes, sir.
Once I rewriting, first you take step number 1, x quotient, whatever that, please take a common. Then after that, a square is fixed, a value you find out. If it is 2ab plus 2ab minus 2b, it should observe. If it is minus or plus, okay, you can write 2ab. When you're writing 2ab, 2 a is already fixed. From this, you can fix b value. What's the value of b? You can take b square plus b square minus 2. We can do rest of the you can copy. This is step number 2. Step number 2, you got a value, b value. Now step number 3, you can write, is it a plus b whole square, a minus b whole square, a minus b whole square, right? You can write this one, a minus b whole square. Okay. What are the terms you left out? These are all leave out. Okay. You wipe a. What is the left out portion? 1 by 3 whole square, right? 1 by 9, 1 by 3. Clear? Have a doubt on that? No, it's clear?
Yeah.
No, x minus 1 by 3 whole square. When you simplify minus 1 by 9 minus 1 by 3, what you're going to get answer? What is the LCM and what you're going to get out? Tell me the answer now. 9, it is 3 into 3, it is 3 by 9. 9 minus 9, what is the value of 3? This is 3, right? So minus into minus, minus 2 by 9. Am I clear, right?
Yes.
Minus 2 by 9. Are you clear or any doubt? 1 by 9, right? 3 3s are 9. 1 minus 4 by 9, sorry. Minus 1 minus 3 minus 4 by 9. Okay, na? Okay. This answer 1 by 9 minus 1 by 3, it becomes minus 4 by 9. Clear? Na?
Yes.
This is the answer of this. So I'll continue and I'll write minus 3 times of x minus 1 by 3 whole square minus 4 by 9, I can write 2 by 3 whole square. Okay. Okay. Now,
Yes.
instead of this, I got these answers now. Okay. So sometimes if you have a minus here, you can send to inside. Minus becomes minus go, then plus will come. So you can write 3 times of 2 by 3 whole square minus x by minus 1 by 3 whole square. Okay, now?
Yes, sir.
Now, instead of this, I got answer this. I was simplified this. I write like this, a square minus x square format is there now by doing this analysis for every question. Okay, this answer I'll copy in this particular place. Integration dx by under root of 3 into 2 by 3 whole square minus x minus 1 by 3 whole square. Till this, you have any problem? Tell me. Any doubt?
No,
Clear?
sir. No, sir. Clear.
Now, this is root 3. Take out 1 by root 3 constant integration dx by under root 2 by 3 whole square minus x minus 1 by 3 whole square. This is the question. Question I change it to like this by doing this analysis. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Right. The question now 1 by root 3 integration 1 by under root of 2 by 3 whole square minus x minus 3 1 by whole square. Now you are a toppers. Please tell me the formula. Integration 1 by under root of
Sin
a.
inverse x by a plus c.
Answer is sine inverse or sine h inverse. Just sine inverse, right? Sine
Yes.
inverse x by a. What is the x value? X by 3. This is x now. This is a. X by a plus c. Now answer is finished. Now answer is finished. If you want to simplify, you can simplify. Nothing wrong in that. Sine inverse. And 1 by 3 is there already. It is there 1 by root 3. So 1 by root 3 sine inverse 3x minus 1. 1 by 3, 3 cancel 2 by. This is the plus c. Okay. This is after simplification. This you got this. Till this answer is finished. Any doubt? Till clear or not?
Clear, sir.
So till this your answer is finished. No, good. Like this, how I did off. The thing is, every question is common procedure. Now the first question is finished because we are very late. That's what we are taking away a long time. Second question. That is the procedure to do it. Now second question it is sine theta by under root of
Root
2
2
minus
minus cos
cos
square
square
theta.
theta into d theta. So this is a very simple question. You can take it as cos theta is t. Cos theta means what? Just sine theta. D theta is equal to dt. So this is convert dt by 2 minus t square. Clear?
Yes, sir.
This is dt by under root of 2. You can write 2 square. What can I write? Root 2 whole square and t square. How it is look like? Integration dx by under root of a square minus x square. Just now you got a formula. What is the formula?
Sine inverse x square plus c.
So sine inverse t by a, t by root 2 plus c. But you have to write what the value of t. Sine inverse
Cos theta.
cos theta by root 2 plus c. Your answer is finished. Okay, no. If
Yes.
your thing is what, this is one important observation. You don't need to write a square, means you can make it root and write what is the value of a? Root 2. Okay. Now it's very simple.
Yes.
Now next question, third question. Integration cos x by sine square x plus 4 sin x plus 5 dx. Clear, Anna? It's very simple. Cos
Yes.
dx, you may get theta, d theta. That's what sin x is equal to. I'll take t. So dx means cos x dx is equal to dt. So question rewrite dt by t square and 4t plus 5. Okay. So now same procedure you need to
Yes.
follow. Same procedure you need to follow. What is the procedure you need to follow? This question you convert dt by possible a square plus x square or a square minus x square or x square minus a square. Not what is that? I don't know. Please take this and start working over here. Next page. T square 4t plus 5 nana. Okay, nana, clear? Na? What is the step number 1?
Yes.
T square question must be 1 because already it is 1. No need to disturb. A square is fixed. So plus 40, it is possible a plus b whole square. So a square plus 2ab plus b square. So next a square. 2ab, right? 2 take common. 2 into a into what are the thing? After 2 and 2 equal, what is the left out portion? B only. So 2ab. What's the value of b, Nana? 2. Next b square minus 2 square plus 2 square plus 5. What is the welcome? This is what I can write? T plus 2 whole square. Okay. Minus 4 plus 5.
Yes.
This becomes what can I write? T plus 2 whole square minus 1 or plus 1 plus 1. This 1 I can write 1 square also. This I can write instead of this one. Okay. Can I write next page? So here I can write integration
Yes,
1 by t plus 2 whole square plus 1 whole square into dt. This will look like integration of 1 by a square plus x square. What is the formula, Nana?
1 by a tan inverse x by a plus
So
c.
1 by a means 1 by 1 into tan inverse x by a. X by a. Now what is the value of t, Nana? Tan inverse
Sin
t.
x.
So sin x plus 2 by 1 plus c. Answer is finished. Clear? Emana doubt unda?
Yes. Yes.
Good. Next, fourth question. The fourth question, it is very simple. Some little tricky also. D square 1 plus cos square x. Okay. Here we are not supposed to get a direct any t assumption. We are not supposed to get this question. I try to change according to my concentration. What I'm to do is I'm multiplying with secant square x, or else I am dividing with both by cos square x, numerator denominator. So 1 by cos square x dx by, here it is 1 by cos square x and cos square x by cos square x dx. What I get, denominator 1 by cos square x means secant square x by 1 by cos square x secant square x, cos square cancel. So 1 plus secant square x. Clear, Anna?
Yes, sir.
So next extension I'm writing it is secant square x. So here one more extension, secant square, can I write 1 plus tan square?
Yes, sir.
Good. This extension I'll continue secant square x dx by 2 plus tan square x. Okay. Clear?
Yes. Yes, sir.
So now take tan x is equal to t. This you're going to get dt. Take it, tan x is equal to t. secant square dx is equal to dt. So this I can write dt by 2, I can write root 2 whole square. I don't want to change t square. Okay. This will look like similarly 1 by a square plus x square. What is the formula? 1 by a tan inverse x by a t by root 2. Now what is the t? 1 by root 2 tan inverse. What's the value of t nana?
Tan X.
Tan x by root 2 plus c. Answer is finished. Because whenever it is there, the cos square something is a denominator we cannot get. Please cos square you can go top means automatically you can divide cos square by 2 and denominator, because here the next step is divide cos square with denominator and numerator. That is what you got secant square top. Secant square you get what you can do at secant square, tan x means secant square get. That's what this secant square I rewrite in the 1 plus tan square. Then tan square I'll take t. Now we'll working on the dt by t. I got this procedure and continuation. The question should be in our control now. Clear? Huh?
Yes,
Good.
sir.
I'll go to the next question, fifth one. The fifth one is dx by 2 sine square x 3 cos square x. This is also similar thing. It is not our control. It is not there in the denominator. Nothing is there. If you take t, anything not get. Same thing. I am dividing with cos square with both sides. 1 by cos square x by 1 by cos square x denominator. I multiply both. So I am directly answer secant square x dx by 2 into sine square by cos square. I write tan square x. So cos square x will become 3 only will come. Next time write secant square x dx by, I'll take 2 is take a common. What are you going to get? Tan square x plus 3 by 2. Okay. I'll take 2 is out. Integration 1 by secant square x dx by uh, tan square x. This 3 by 2 I won't write roots. That's what I write root 3 by 2 whole square. Okay. Now I'm trying to take similarly tan x is equal to t. Secant square x is equal to dt. This I can write 1 by 2 dt by t square plus root 3 by 2 whole square. Okay, now this will look like
Yes,
1
sir.
by a tan inverse x by a. So 1 by root 3 by 2, all it is 2. So tan inverse x by a. So t by root 3 by 2. What's the value of t? This you can substitute.
Tan X. Yes, sir.
So till this, the fifth question is finished today. Okay. So
Yes.
till this, I'm trying to stop by today's